she like it for you because she said that you look like a lady, natural. And then when basically she said you don't look good as a boy. I'm just, I'm gonna tell the truth, Tikki.
Everybody sister, don't tell me mother sister, don't
You
tell
do
me
not look good
sister.
as a boy. Because you have a girl face, a girl body. You see how your face is just, you don't have on the makeup right now and you look good.
Me sorry establish, let me bleach my sweet.
So when you're going back for your laser treatment,
I hate me want to go do that all night there, but me not have no if you go do it. Me just bakes. Me confused.
if you come at Bronx, me can carry you go over there.
Bitch! I have to coach me go dinner the Bronx, go do it.
Jesus Christ. Yeah, that's what I said. Come at Bronx, I'm meet you anywhere and carry me.
No, me no know if you come in the Bronx now. Come meet me at Queens. Come meet me at Queens. I coach me go in the Bronx, go do it.
And then you're going to pressure me if you carry you to Connecticut.
No, me I take something go Connecticut. Let me call you. Let me say something to you. Me say that body. Something about that body. Tikki and him big. Do it in Connecticut. Me not see no way Connecticut for do it. Trap me say that body. Guys, somebody can bring something on me cash up on me Zella and me PayPal. Guys, somebody can bring something on me cash up me Zella and me PayPal. Unbothered. Good pussy candy, come here. Unbothered, our pussy good. My friend, come here. Not for England. When people them don't make you get your money. I saw my auntie them there over here. I don't know fear. I could go away. We say that body there. Something about that body there. Tikki that big pussy there. Like my internet will freeze. Though Midas is piercing.
Yeah.
Me can't stomach him. Put me back in I mean right. Me can't stomach blood clot him. And it's just the truth. Cause nobody can beat me. Like blood clot ask about me like this and me like that to chicken. I mean I'm my own boss. And me can't stomach somebody, me just can't stomach them because enough people can't stomach me. Big good Junior. Big Kenya. Fuck Junior. Hi, how are you? John so good. John so good. Guzu got this one, auntie. Me I go home now, I can't something and me cash up on myself, auntie Guzu. Must book the Uber, please. Auntie Guzu. Guzu got it unruly. Our uncle. Me I go make a something and cash up on diesel. Must book the Uber. I have the not coins. Guys, who got this? Guys, someone have something on my cash up on my Zelle. I'm a paper. Remember my pussy good. Guys, man, must put the over. Something about that body there. Tikki, how are you? John, so good. I'm okay. I came over from over CT to New York for the weekend. Must do my t-shirt launch. So I'm getting ready to go home back now. So I look my fear. You hear me, John? So good. My phone not here. My phone not pick up, guys. My phone not pick up. Yeah, we are here. Oh. Guys, there my big pussy. I get ready. Good morning. Good for you, but you know, good for me actually. There. Moment of itch. The morning, good for you, but you know, good for me actually. You know, me no blood clot it. Guys, you feel that take long to pick me up here? What I look at me ugly. How it come down? Mickey, come here. Big old Mickey. I want to fuck up that whole body man this I run a blood clot Bronx, you know. Send a request I come here. Fighting dirt or battling mud. What are we that I turn pastor? What are we that I turn pastor? Are your man or my man fi beat me? Why you not answer me? John, so good me keep on answer your auntie. And that's why me ask yourself you hear me, you know. Missy Boa, why you ask you when auntie? John, so good me, let me talk up my fast teeth or talk to you.
Where's the Tikki?
John, so good me take out my fast then, Charlie. Missy Boa, me I call you when me done auntie. I think Wednesday. John, so good. Me say me there New York. Me I live go back to Connecticut. Me dey come to New York also sell out the lounge over the past weekend, John, so good. So me I go back to CT now. And that me say auntie. You hear me now, Auntie John, so good?
Tikki, where I say?
You hear me now, John, so good? No. John, so good, not hear me. She not hear me no. Oh God, something wrong.
Yes, she say yes, the Tikki.
So me come up here and look me Uber fare when you are come Jersey. Me if you come Jersey Sunday, no Dana. What is just that the problem? Me just never bother come. Cause Chief did say me can't come. Dana, you can't be something for me make up here. Me fear if you go over. Probably me come Jersey next week. Me say that body day. Something more that body day.
Tikki, where you put my why you call me a perfect
Me a
another
couple of
time?
John so good what auntie.
Hi, good morning. How are you? I
Me the
was
right
I was I was in Jamaica. I just came back this morning, so I'm asking you
wow.
how is everything?
That mean me can't go see you then.
I just came back this morning. I'm so tired. But anyway, where's Trev?
Gone home. You
Okay.
know my man love you money, so I must go work.
The money met the mirror run, you know.
So when I tell the people them say the boy beat up, bad man out there, blood clot and gone home. Sure.
You always
Trev now beat up no
I
Tikki.
said me dey on
Stop
the
it.
phone when Trevor beat up the woman, me not tell a lie.
That's not true. That's not Trev. I
See, the
know
boy that
Trev.
beat your man in there when I call you.
if you want beat me, no beat me no my man.
That.
Listen, you have to understand, say Tikki have one mouth and have no filter, you know. And
No,
a long
miss.
time Trevor put up
Let
with
me tell
him.
you. You seen about the world, the girl them like when the boy them beat
Me
them
no
and knock them
business in
out
a
and
nobody business. Me no business with Trevor and Tikki. Trevor and Tikki are people. I know people
so
business.
the
I feel
batty
them
man they
business.
deal with me, so that me a try for show you say a batty man the all with me, yeah, me. Like the
Me
boy just show me
understand. Me
up.
understand. Them
Yeah.
lifestyle not have nothing to do with me. Me just love them.
Yeah, some that me I tell us the liquor fuck go together and them world. I say if the boy not beat you, you're not gonna really we not gonna want him, right, daughter?
Well, me not think so. Tikki different. Tikki different. Tikki just needs for focus. Tikki just
Tiki
come
talk,
and
Tiki.
Tikki focus, focus, focus.
Auntie,
Don't get no bangle by your angle.
I them love man
Yeah.
beating not me. Me no run beating joke. When my man no beat me, me and my man fight. But you know him and the man Auntie John so good, him we win.
Tikki. Me watch your name now and let me tell you something. You feel your mouth no have no filter.
Exactly.
Your mouth not have no
Me both
filter.
kind of see that shot.
Okay,
Me
in
both
the
kind of see that
woman
shot.
world, if we did ever answer for we husband, so you know what would happen to we? So sometime I talk to you and you just zoom.
You get this member say a two man at the end of the day, Tiki
I
what him
understand that. I understand
yeah.
that, but